to Jungle Safari. Today we're going on a magical adventure to learn phonics letters while exploring the jungle. All aboard, let's get started. A says A for apple. Look at the monkey eating an apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Can you say A? B says B for bear and berries. Let's say it together. B, bear. B-E-A-R, bear. Can you say B? Can you say B? D says E. C for cat. The cat is having fun. C-A-T, cat. Can you say C? D say deer. The deer is jumping. Let's jump to the deer. D-E-E-R, deer. Can you say deer? Can you say D? E says E. Says E. E for elephant. Look at the elephant splashing water. E-L-E-P-H-A-T, elephant. Can you say E? F says F. F for frog. Let's count the frogs. 1, 2, 3. F-R-O-G, frog. Frog. G says G. G for grapes and green carrots. Say it with me. Get grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. H says hatch. H-O-H-I-P-P-O, hippo. The hippo is so happy. Say it with me. Hippo. Says I for igloo. I-G-L-O-O. Let's stay cool like the penguins at igloo. J says J. J for jaguar. J-A-G-U-A-R, jaguar. Look at the jaguar jumping. Say it with me. Jaguar. K says K. K for kangaroo. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo. Look at the kangaroo. Hop, hop, hop. Can you say K? L says O. O for lion. L-I-O-N, lion. The lion is roaring loudly. Say it with me. Lion. N says M for monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Let's say it together. Monkey. N says N. N for night owl. N-I-G-H-T-O-W-L, night owl. Listen to the owl hoot at night. O says O for orangutan. O-R-A-N-G-U-T-A-N, orangutan. Look at the orangutan swinging. Can you say O? P says P. P for peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. The peacock is spreading its feathers. Say it with me. Peacock. Q says Q. Q for quail. Q-U-A-I-L, quail. The quail is quick and quiet. Can you say Q? R says R. R for rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. The rabbit loves to hop, hop, hop. Let's say it together. Run, rabbit. S says for snake. S-N-A-K-E, snake. Look at the snake's liver. Say it with me. Snake. T says T for tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. The tiger is big and strong. Can you say U? Says U. U for umbrella bird. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A-B-I-R-D, umbrella bird. What a funny bird. Let's say it together. U, umbrella bird. V says V. V for vulture. V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture. The vulture is flying very high. Can you say V? W says whale. W says whale. Whale for whale. W-H-A-L-E, whale. Look at the whale splashing water. Say it with me. W, whale. X says S. S for X-ray, fish. The fish is swimming fast.